Welcome everyone, and today I'll be demonstrating IPFone's Integrator CRM. This will be done with Salesforce, and I will show you all these other features like toolbars, presence, call settings, address books, call history, and configuration. This is running on Windows, and let's go ahead and start off with configuration. Here we have the telephony side where I can enter my username and password to my desk phone, and this will allow the program to actually answer and hang up calls. Here we have the interface. It allows me to check the preview window. I have it as infinite, and I can do hotkeys in the bottom to like answer calls or hang up calls with shortcut keys. Here we have the dialing handlers where you can install a plugin from any of these browsers, and this plugin will allow you to click to dial from within those browsers. Next we have is call events, and this basically allows you to have an action depending on ringing, answer, or outbound. And you can choose to either pop up the contact or even show the presence bar, etc. From here, we can see we have an integration for Salesforce. I have my user information, my password with my security token, and these are the entities where you can search for a contact. I also have this feature called create an activity when the call ends, and we can also test a number here to see if the integration is working. So if I hit search and if it brings me back a result, it lets me know that it found that contact or that particular number. I could then click here to show contact. This would open up a new tab and take me directly to that contact. Go ahead and close this tab. And here I'm going to show you the plugin really quick. Here's it installed. I can turn this on or off. And next to those two telephone numbers in the middle, you'll see that it removes an icon. Once that icon's available, I can click on that, and basically it'll send the call to my device. In this case, I'm using WebEx, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. You're going to see there's a preview window that I mentioned earlier on the upper right that lets me answer the calls, hang up the calls, etc. Let me move this away to the side, and from here I can hang up this call when I'm done. And that's basically how the click to dial works. So let's go back to the configuration, and here you'll notice that I can add new additional integrations on top of the Salesforce that I already have. So here's a list that you can choose from. I can add as many as I need, and basically if a caller calls in and it matches that number on any of my integrations, it'll basically show an icon where I can screen pop to any of those integrations where it found that contact. So now I'm going to go ahead and select Zendesk as an example. I'm going to hit set. And then from here you can see that I can fill in now the information for the integration for Zendesk. And a cool thing is that if I hit this blue question mark here, it's going to take me to the help section to what I need to do to basically accomplish this integration with Zendesk. So it basically gives me a step-by-step guide of what I need to fill in and what I need to do within Zendesk to make this integration work. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and show you the toolbar. So once I click on this, you can see the toolbar just populated. And I can maximize this, and what's going to happen is it's going to take the top part of my screen, so everything will maximize under the toolbar so it doesn't get in the way. I can of course make a call, pick up a call. I can then, as well as if I'm a call center premium agent, I can change my outgoing caller ID if I wanted to on the fly. And I can also use this option here that says auto, which it'll allow me to select an area code based on the number I'm dialing out. I can also change my status as an agent. So where here we see available, I can make myself available, select an unavailable code, or even sign out. I can also view the queues to see how many people are staffed or how many calls are in the queue, and the queues that I'm associated with. So now I'll be showing you the presence window. This could be always on top. This can also show you, as you can see, their statuses. I can add additional contacts to here just by clicking the plus sign, typing in here the name or the extension, the person I'm looking for. In this case, I got 2 results. I'm going to go ahead and add these 2. And now it'll show me the results of their status. I can also, of course, use this to do an outbound call or like a speed dial to any of my colleagues here. So we also have an option for call history. So this will show you your history. And then I'm going to show you a quick demo of an incoming call and how it affects it in the call history as well. So here's the call I'm initiating from John Doe, and I can see in the preview window it found the contact in Salesforce. I can create an activity, or I can click on the first icon, taking me directly to that contact in Salesforce. So here I am in the John Doe's contact that it matched. So I'm going to go ahead and answer this call with my WebEx. So now I'm talking basically. And then from here, I could hang up this call as well. And I will show you here on the right-hand side under activity, where it's going to create that activity log as soon as I hang up this call. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to close the contact. I'm going to hang up. And now I'm going to go to my call history, like I mentioned earlier, that I can now see in the call history that John Doe called in. But most importantly, you're going to see that there are those Salesforce icons that we saw earlier on the preview window, where now I can just click on it from my history, and it takes me directly to the contact. You'll notice now the activity log has the incoming call from John Doe's number to my extension 1137. So here's the activity log that it created automatically at the moment that I hanged up the call. Activity log also includes outbound calls to the contact. You can visit our website and download the IPFone Integrator and try it out for 30 days. Or if you would like to reach out to us and have a more personalized demo, please feel free to contact us. And thank you everyone for watching.